Best canister vacuums stand out from the crowd due to their compact design. They tend to have great maneuverability as they use a long hose and wand to get into hard-to-reach places while their canister body follows behind it on wheels. Many can also reconfigure to tackle different surface types or debris by swapping the vacuum head for different tools, which is handy if you're cleaning stairs or inside your car. Please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Buying Guide presents Top 5 Best Canister Vacuum. Let's get started.
Purchasing the perfect product for your usage is our topmost priority. We aim to give away our best guidelines for you, the viewers only, so you won't hesitate or get confused while selecting the products from the market. Thanks for staying with us.
Number 5. Kenmore BC 3005 Canister Vacuum. Designed to clean all areas and surfaces of your entire home, den, kitchen, car or garage quickly and efficiently with multiple attachment tools and swivel steering. Combination of 2 motors provides effective brush rotation and powerful suction for deep cleaning. Captures 99.97% of dirty inside the vacuum. Upper and lower wand easily releases to quickly change from cleaning the floor, to upholstery, to the ceiling. Automatic cord rewind retracts 26 foot of cord with a push of the button. Number 4. Shark CZ 2001 Vertex Canister Vacuum. Get powerful shark suction and advanced cleaning technology in a compact canister vac. Dual clean power fins take on floors and carpets. Dual brush roll system dig deep into carpets and directly engage floors to pick up more in every pass. Self-cleaning brush roll delivers powerful pet hair pickup without wrapping hair. Multi-flex technology allows you to bend the vacuum to clean under furniture or fold it over for compact, freestanding storage. Number 3. Prolux Triton Bagged Vacuum Cleaner. The Prolux Triton is a powerful deep cleaning vacuum cleaner that is designed to clean carpet, rugs, hardwood floors, tile and more. This high-quality vacuum has a sealed HEPA filtered canister that retains all of the fine dust pulled off of your floor. 3 stages of filtration including sealed HEPA filtration will keep dust from entering your air. Easily choose the amount of suction you need for each job by using the convenient knob on the top of the vacuum. Lightweight canister vacuum with incredible suction. Number 2. Kenmore Bagless Compact Canister Vacuum. The lightweight Kenmore Bagless HEPA Canister Vacuum with Pet PowerMate is a multi-purpose, all-floors design. Motorized attachment lifts stubborn pet hair, dander, and dirt quickly from surfaces. Unique design eliminates hair from tangling around the brush. Designed to clean all floors within your home, den, kitchen, car or garage quickly and efficiently with an easy-to-empty filterless transparent canister. Enhanced HEPA filter system traps 99.97% of debris. Number 1. Bissell 2156A Bagless Canister Vacuum. The Bissell Zing Bagless Canister Vacuum makes it easy to take powerful mess removal from one room in your home to another. It features cyclonic technology that provides powerful, continuous suction across both carpets and hard floors. The compact and lightweight design along with swivel steering make maneuvering around furniture and between rooms a snap. The Easy Empty Dirt Cup provides mess-free, bottom tank emptying to keep dirt off of your hands. Dirt Cup capacity 2 liters, cyclonic action and powerful suction provide thorough cleaning.
If you watched our videos, please don't forget to like and share our videos so that others can get benefit from it. For more updates and notifications, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the bell icon.